24th August is my birthday. It's a very special day in my life, and I always celebrate my day in a special way. This time around, I'm sharing my birthday cake with nature. I'm planting this tree as a part of my conservation strides to protect nature. So I have a tree here to plant as a celebration of my birthday. So this is my piece of cake that I'm going to give to nature. Traditionally, people can cakes, share, give people, but yeah, I do it differently. I give to nature. So journey with me. What I'm going to do first is spread the hole with sand. This tree does so well sand starting in the hole. That's what I'm going to do first. The sun gives good growth area for the roots of our orange here. So what I'm going to do now, once I'm done with putting the sand in the hole, let me cut off this paper bag. So here is our beautiful crafted tree. So here we are. What I'm going to do is add a lot more soil to ensure that the tree is fully covered under the ground. You can see that this is black soil. It's part of manure that we pick from the animal droppings. So it's important that we use this kind of soil. So what will be next is get more black soil and cover up around it, but we leave space for water to be sinking into the soil so that our tree can perfectly grow so well and to give us the fruits that we need. But that will be the end of our celebration of my birthday with nature. Happy birthday to me.